Okay, hunters, you can plainly see in the walkthrough where we place these remote cameras. And we left these things alone. There's no members of my team in there. There's no depot staff. And as you notice as this clip runs, you'll see orbs, which some people believe may or may not be spirits. But then the activity becomes a little bit more aggressive, as though something is actually attacking my camera behind this one. You'll hear a slap on the camera, and then you'll hear a loud crash, and then you'll hear footsteps. Plainly, you can hear footsteps, and then another slap on the camera. So I'm going to be quiet so you can hear it, and then we're going to check out the camera from the other side. All right, Hunter. So this is the left side camera. So this is where all the action took place for whatever reason. But I want to make some quick notes before I let this clip run all the way through. So firstly, you can hear my team and I in the background doing an investigation on the opposite side of the depot. So it's plain to hear we're not in the room with these cameras. Secondly, I had a team member come in and do a camera check, and I left this in on purpose for comparison, so you can hear him walking on the old wood floor and opening and closing the boxcar door. So sort of to prove that this thing was kind of isolated. But also, it would have been very difficult for a living human to get in and out of this boxcar without me hearing it on the recording. So I don't think we were being deceived here. I think this is real paranormal activity. And thirdly, there's a jump cut at the very end where the camera's in a different position. That's simply because within the 2 hours we came in and did a spirit box session, and we moved the camera as we filed in and out. So that's why it's in a different position from the first two clips. So the action starts pretty benign, and the tampering becomes more and more aggressive, and then it seems as though something is actually trying to damage my equipment. So I think it's pretty insane, and it's definitely, I believe it's paranormal. Check it out for yourself and see what you think, and leave me your comments.
Camera check.
And there you have it, Haunters. The craziest thing I've ever captured. I have no explanation for the physical contact of my camera. Leave me your opinion, your comments below.